èèyàn lé lórí update ikú mohbad látúwà o. ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé látìgbà tá a ti ń mú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí wá fún yín, àwọn èèyàn márùn-ún ni a sọ wípé ó wà ní kọ́sítọ́dì àwọn ọlọ́pàá àti ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn èèyàn tí wọ́n ti mú tó jẹ́ pé a àti ìgbọ́. ṣùgbọ́n bí a ṣe ń sọ yìí, wọ́n ti mú dírìvà o, èyí tó wa mohbad ní ọjọ́ tí òun àti Primeboy tí wọ́n jọ lọ sí ìkòròdú nígbà tí ó fẹ́ lọ ṣeré. ẹ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé naira marley àti sam larry náà ṣì wà ní àgọ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá pẹ̀lú nọ́ọ̀sì àti ọ̀rẹ́ mohbad tó pe nọ́ọ̀sì wá àti Primeboy. ẹ̀yin èèyàn lé, ẹ gbọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ tí bàbá wa yìí tó sọ.
To Wunmi and the Nigerian police. To Wunmi's mother, Wunmi's father, and Wunmi's handlers, those handling Wunmi. Wunmi, Mohbad's wife. I write to you to advise you to speak up. Because if you don't speak now, you will speak later. And if you don't speak now, it may be too late in the sense that you would have been judged. The Nigerian police mentioned some 26 people. They didn't mention you. You are giving us this big elephant in the room and thinking that that elephant will disappear. I want to put it to you, the Nigerian police, and to Wunmi and Wunmi's handlers, the Nigerian public, and the global community. You can see this is not a case of Nigeria alone. Chinese people singing about mohbad, white people crying about mohbad, Zimbabwe, South Africans crying about mohbad, and Nigerians seriously demanding justice for mohbad. Wunmi, you have to tell the Nigerian public where you were when mohbad died. You have to tell the Nigerian public, you have to tell the world what you said when they were giving him injection. You have to tell the world when you first discovered that he died. You have to tell the world why you are silent. People are coming up with stories about you, that you had an affair with Primeboy. Primeboy said you had a fight with mohbad in the car. Primeboy said he called you or he messaged you for his bag. Wunmi, what did you say when they asked mohbad to be injected? Wunmi, what was the fight about? Wunmi, the audio that has been leaked with mohbad accusing you of deleting his WhatsApp, with him raining curses on you and your family that you're not going to get away with this. Wunmi, what was the cause of that argument? Wunmi, did you have a hand in the death of mohbad? Did you instruct them to inject him? Was it because of the fight? You see, if you don't speak, people will speculate about you. We have offered you 10 million naira. We have our European counterparts that are waiting to do a DNA for your child and you to clear your name. You have not responded. You are making yourself a prime suspect. We understand the PR that the police is doing. We understand the narrative that the police is pushing. But we are humans. And there is nothing hidden under the sun that will never come to light. It is never too late to tell your side of the story. Do it now to clear your name, to clear your son's name. Do it now to give Mohbad peace. People are saying that you were engineered to kill your husband. Your silence is not doing you any good. Men are now looking at women as dangerous as never before because of you. People are accusing women, but we are humans, and there is nothing hidden under the sun that will never come to light. It is never too late to tell your side of the story. Do it now to clear your name, to clear your son's name. Do it now to give Mohbad peace. People are saying that you were engineered to kill your husband. Your silence is not doing you any good. If you don't speak now, you give all women bad name. Men are now looking at women as dangerous as never before because of you. People are accusing women of infidelity because the paternity of your child is not sure. People are accusing women of being killers because your husband is dead and we don't get the natural response from you. Wumi, speak up now. This is the voice of one.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn lé ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn o. Tí a bá tún gbọ́ any update a máa jẹ́ kẹ́ ẹ gbọ́. Ọlọ́run á jẹ́ kí a rí ìdájọ́ òtítọ́ àti òdodo. Justice for Mohbad, justice for Mohbad, justice for Mohbad.